In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put tokens in League of Legends. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the client and how to show off the tokens you've earned on your profile. Start by opening your League client and logging in. Give the client a moment to load fully so all the profile features populate. This helps avoid missing tabs or slow loading panels while you navigate. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the client for your profile. It's usually represented by your icon or avatar. Click that to open your main profile area. You're now in the right place to manage what appears on your public profile. On the left side of this screen, you'll see a navigation panel. Click Profile again there to make sure you're inside the full profile view with all its options. This takes you from the quick profile access to the deeper settings where cosmetic and display choices live. Within that profile view, look for the Tokens tab and click it. The Tokens tab is the dedicated space where League lets you manage tokens tied to events or achievements. If you don't immediately see the tab, let the page finish loading, then scan the available tabs carefully. The client sometimes rearranges or condenses tabs based on what's currently available on your account. Inside the Tokens tab, you'll see your available tokens. These are the tokens you can choose to display on your profile. Select the ones you want to show. Think of this like curating a small showcase. Pick the tokens that best represent the events you participated in or the milestones you're proud of. Some clients save these selections automatically the moment you click them. If you see any on-screen confirmation or indicator that your choice is active, you're all set. That's it. Your selected tokens are now set to appear on your profile for others to see. If your Tokens tab looks empty, it may mean you don't have tokens available at the moment, or the current event has ended. Tokens are typically tied to specific events or passes, so they'll only appear when you've earned them on your account. Also, if the tab isn't visible, it can be due to regional differences or updates in the client. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're logged into the account where you earned the tokens. With these quick steps, you've put your tokens on display and polished up your profile. Enjoy showing off your progress, and have fun on the Rift.